Is there any point in installing a monitor driver? I'm guessing that most of the world's PCs are running with the default plug-and-play monitor driver, which seems to work well enough, and having just swapped to a 2005 FPW, installed the driver and noticed zero difference, not even a flicker during install. I was just wondering if there is a point to installing the dedicated driver for your monitor. I assume that for those concerned with accurate color reproduction and the like, the driver might make some difference, but for most users,
with new monitors, no. Old monitors didn't know how to send resolution information, so not having driver meant that not all resolution and refresh combinations were available. All new LCD screens that I saw know how to transfer this information through DCC channel and have no issues of any kind. Having monitor driver will give you no speed up whatsoever.
Modern monitors usually only provide the color correction profile. Some, however, can also be configured via a USB cable instead of just via the on-screen menu. Usually, it's not critical to install these drivers, but I do it anyways. It's nice when you can be sure that the colors are displayed as they are intended to be.
It depends on the monitor. Any features beyond display this image will likely need drivers. It's possible to adjust settings on the monitor via the control panel, and that sort of thing with some monitors. Others will return information, like the orientation of the monitor.
Maybe. If it has some additional features, like USB hub or something. I've never installed any drivers for my monitors though, and they worked fine.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.